This rig is working pretty well. Alright. We are live. This is Duke, and this is Band 2D Live.
Yes. Thank you for having me. Allow me to gather my files properly. And before I begin, can I have a bottle of water, please? Okay. So, you think the earth is flat, right? You should go get your facts right. You think the earth is flat, right? You should go get your facts right. Listen up, conspiracy theories. Here's my thesis. You're not smart, you be talking feces. The only way I can understand your reason is if somebody tell me science has no meaning. How can the earth be flat when there is no edge in existence? If the earth was flat, we wouldn't see a ship emerging from the horizon. Think of an ant in a no range. It's round but flat from a close range. Plus there are pictures that explain geographical features of the terrain. Hold up, let me ask you something. Would the government lie for such a dumb thing? What truth would they be protecting? Your paranoia is interesting. You're illogical, the earth is spherical according to the Foucault pendulum experiment. Get the fuck out here with the shit that you come up with. The only thing that is flat is the ass of my chick. Yeah, I said it, ass of my chick. These are the facts that I'm coming with. You can see the shadow of the earth during an eclipse in the moon and its oval shaped bitch.
So why does gravity sculpt things into spheres? Well, the first thing to say is that it doesn't, necessarily. I pick up a snowball. It's not spherical, kind of an irregular shape. As I start adding mass to it, that gravitational pull becomes bigger. So I'll get to a point where this snowball will be so massive that the gravitational pull on its surface would be so strong that it would start to squash the material out of which it's made. In this case, snow, or in the case of a planet or moon, the rock. Now you could ask the question, how much matter do I need for gravity to get strong enough to start overcoming the strength of rock and sculpting things into spheres? Well, that minimum size has got a name. It's a brilliant name. It's called the potato radius. You can see why. Because things that are too small for gravity to be strong enough to sculpt them look like a misshapen potato.
99% of photos out from NASA are just CGI, and they admit to photoshopping them. You see these skies? If you'd ever go outside, you would see the lies. They get clouds that cover fucking countries, they're extremely wide. And if you looked at the horizon with your beady eyes, you would see that it would be declined, it wouldn't be aligned. Unless the fucking laws of physics have been redefined, and somehow the curve that it should have has been realigned. Need to guess, the world ain't fucking round. You can keep your breath, and so did why in distance it curves down, but not from east to west. And why do scientists that say that all have crazy deaths so everyone can put out what they say? It's like speech to text. And what does every fucking ocean on the globe lack? But water in any kind of shaped container, it'll go flat. You wanna know what's even stranger? It's a known fact. Look up Operation Fishbowl. And if you say because of gravity again, you're getting smacked. What kind of evidence is that? It's not a theory if it's flat. It's flat. Ancient Mayan says it's flat, modern science says it's flat. 1962 Antarctica Alliance says it's flat. Official logos from world governmental giants says it's flat. But you're still trapped in your own bubble that you bias to the facts. So let's say it's round for a second, just for shits and giggles. 40 miles from a lighthouse, you shouldn't get the signals from the curvature. Let's do the math, and I'll keep it simple. 8 inches per mile squared, what a little pickle that you're in. It's no riddle, so they say that the earth spins 1,000 mph. You shoot a bullet in the way of the opposite direction, it should stay. So tell me why that is not the case. In each direction it's the same, no corrections to be made when the plane descends nose down. So if they don't, how's the globe round? How's the horizon stay the same shape, whether on high or low ground? Because it's flat, and you know now. If this planet is a globe and we stand here as it grows, how's the water in it holds? How's the water in it holds? And if you say because of gravity again, you're getting smacked. What kind of evidence is that? It's not a theory if it's flat, it's flat, it's flat.
In the public eye, or yet people in general who think that the earth might not be round. It's really an extraordinary thing. It's heartbreaking when we have people that even joke about it.
Wow. That was fantastic. What? No. I don't think so. One song is enough. Alright, so I'm trying to make these videos short. Everybody's got valuable time, so I'm just going to bring the meat right to the table. So when I search for I don't know what I searched for with this. Let me back out of here. Oh, I was in NASA CGI hoax. Okay. So I like to really show things that are just, like you can't, if it's true, it upends, pretty much everything that you can expect any honesty of. It really does. One lie exposes your incredible vulnerability to that lie. The fact that the lie already got you shows you that you're not as invincible in this world as you think you are. So here we go. And I treat everybody like that. There's no truth is no one is above the real truth of this world. We all are subject to its importance, I guess. I don't know. All right, so we are so that this image proclaims that after hitting autotone it becomes Earth, which makes sense. Just look at the sky, Similar images. There we go. Similar images. All right. So let's see. False color, true color. These are memes. It just looks like an autotone. Atacama Desert. So, partially the idea to search for similar images is to show you that all these exotic locations like the moon's surface, like the surface of the planet Mars, could be created from what is already existing on the face of the earth. They just need to find the correct location to create the false reality, like a Hollywood set. Look at this. Somebody obviously photoshopped that in there, but you can see the point. Alright, so that was just the similar images. Come on. computer frozen? What the fuck's going on? It's probably Bing's application. Alright. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, it's like twice the size, supposedly. Yeah, this is all garbage, dude. Dude, they lie to us so bad. Like, you just use your eyes. Oh, every 35,000 years, July 27th, 2018, the planet Mars will be as big as the moon. Yeah, fucking right. Yeah, right. It's a fucking joke. Okay, so we'll go ahead and just take a look at this real quick. So I want to shut this down soon. How could they? There's no way that they could know that the Terran on Mars so close. Like, how is that even possible? Yeah, so they're saying it's like a bone. It was a rodent-shaped rock. That was a rodent. These looking like vertebrae are the vertebrae of whales. So here's the I'm not gonna read it out loud. I'm only kind of pointing out the things that make sense to me to like really highlight, because they just deal with affirming my 5 cents reality. We cannot allow news and information to supplant what we can actually physically determine with 5 cents reality being the primary focus. Somebody like Joe Rogan would be like, oh no, you gotta listen to scientists, you gotta listen to experts. But no, you don't. Because you gotta recognize that those people aren't actually out to help you. They're just not. It's just a human condition for people to just fuck other people over for no good reason. So you must be vigilant at all times. So the author of this article is presuming that humans, regardless of position, couldn't be possible of doing this. Like, what would be the point? Yeah, and so this guy is saying that the baby rovers are useless, and that's the end of it. And that, I mean, this is not really, if anything, this is like, um, how can I put it? I mean, this is damning as fuck right here. This is actually true. This is what the original image looks like. Um, what was I gonna say? But the way he ends the article is not good. He just, it's almost like clickbait. That the point was to get you to see this in the guise of it being a debunking. And I mean, what are you gonna trust a man's words, or are you gonna trust the fucking images and say to yourself, well, until somebody can show me, what these would be. I mean, look at that. That is a fucking rodent. Wow, look at that. That is. Wow. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's undeniable. It's undeniable. Look, it's a fucking rodent on Mars. So there you go. There you go. I don't know. That's a good one though. Yeah, it's a joke. And it should only take one lie for the masses to go, huh? Wait a second. Really? What else? Tell me more. Don't you believe it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. This is going on long enough. This is Duke, and I'm out.